My name is Brittany. I work at Charisma Salon in Coventry, Rhode Island. I'm going to show you how to crimp hair using a flat iron. What you're going to do is part your hair at the nape. Spray the hair with Sleek Look Iron Smoother. This takes away any frizz and helps protect the hair from the heat. And now I'm going to take my flat iron, take the hair, and I'm going to bend the hair back and forth like this. And it makes a crimping effect. I know it's hard to see from right there, but I'll zoom in a minute. Just watch the motion that I'm doing, back and forth. So I'm just continuing bending the hair with the straightener back and forth like this. So it gets crimpy. Back and forth. So when you're crimping the hair with your flat iron, if you hold the flat iron parallel to the ground, the crimps come out that way, parallel to the ground. And then if you want to switch it up, you can angle your flat iron at a 45-degree angle. So the crimps come out in a 45-degree angle. That way, the different crimps give it texture, different size. That just makes it look, the messy look that you want, look really good. Now that I've finished crimping her hair, you can see all the different crimps in her hair. It looks really beachy, bohemian. So one way to finish this is by just adding a side braid. And she looks great.